Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at both beginners and intermediate learners. We read a story and the title is Ellie's Big Adventure, Finding the Waterfall. I encourage you to stop the video regularly. Practice the vocabulary as well as the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. In the heart of the lush green jungle, there lived a young elephant named Ellie. Ellie had bright, curious eyes and a trunk that seemed to have a mind of its own. She loved exploring every corner of her home, but today she felt something special was about to happen. Ellie's grandmother, Nana, often told her stories about a magical hidden waterfall deep within the jungle. It was said to sparkle like diamonds in the sunlight and was a place of peace and beauty. Ellie decided that today was the day she would find it. As the morning sun painted the sky in shades of orange and pink, Ellie packed her favorite snack, sweet mangoes, and set off. She trumpeted goodbye to her friends, a cheeky monkey named Cheeks, and a wise old tortoise named Tuli, who wished her luck. The jungle was alive with sounds. Birds chirped, leaves rustled, and streams gurgled. Ellie followed a narrow path she had never taken before, her trunk swaying with excitement. Suddenly, she heard a strange noise. "Who's there?" she asked, her voice a mix of bravery and curiosity. Out from the bushes leaped Cheeks. "You didn't think I'd let you go alone, did you?" The monkey grinned. Ellie smiled, happy for the company. Together they continued their journey, Cheeks swinging from vines while Ellie trotted below. The path grew steeper and the trees denser. Soon they reached a rocky hill. "We'll need help climbing this," Ellie said, her trunk pointing upward. Just then Tuli appeared, his slow but steady steps echoing on the rocks. "I thought you might need a guide," said Tuli with a chuckle. Ellie was thrilled. With Tuli's guidance, they climbed the hill. At the top, they saw a sparkling blue river snaking through the jungle. "We must be close," Ellie exclaimed. As they followed the river, they encountered a flock of colorful parrots. you looking for the hidden waterfall?" one parrot squawked. Ellie nodded eagerly. The parrots pointed their wings toward a dense grove of trees. Entering the grove, they found themselves in a maze of tall bamboo. Cheeks darted ahead, weaving through the stalks, while Tuli and Ellie carefully made their way through. The sound of rushing water grew louder. Finally, the bamboo opened up to reveal the most breathtaking sight Ellie had ever seen. The hidden waterfall was real. Crystal clear water cascaded down shiny rocks, creating a pool that shimmered like liquid diamonds. Ellie felt a surge of joy. "We found it!" she trumpeted. Cheeks jumped into the pool with a splash, and even Tuli dipped his feet in, chuckling. Ellie stood at the edge, letting the cool mist tickle her skin. The three friends spent the afternoon exploring the area. Cheeks discovered a grove of mango trees, and Ellie used her trunk to pluck the fruit. They shared a feast by the water, their laughter echoing through the jungle. As the sun began to set, Ellie noticed something sparkling in the rocks near the waterfall. She used her trunk to investigate and found a small, smooth stone with an iridescent glow. It looked magical. "This must be a gift from the waterfall," said Tuli. Ellie decided to keep the stone as a memory of their adventure. "I'll treasure it forever," she said, her eyes gleaming with happiness. On their way back, the jungle seemed even more beautiful than before. Ellie realized that the journey, the friends she shared it with, and the discovery were what made the adventure truly magical. When they returned home, Ellie's grandmother was waiting. "Did you find it?" Nana asked. Ellie nodded and showed her the stone. Nana smiled, proud of her granddaughter's bravery and determination. Ellie shared the story of their journey with the other animals. Soon the entire jungle was buzzing with excitement about the hidden waterfall. "Can we go too?" asked the younger animals. "Maybe one day," Ellie said with a smile. She knew that some adventures were meant to be experienced at just the right moment, with the right friends by your side. That night, as Ellie lay under a blanket of stars, she held the glowing stone close. She dreamed of more adventures, knowing that the jungle held many more secrets waiting to be discovered. From that day forward, Ellie was known as the bravest and most adventurous elephant in the jungle. And every time she looked at the stone, she was reminded that with curiosity and friendship, anything is possible. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may reach more learners all over the world and assist them with their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.